Klaus, thank you very much. I think it was an impressive presentation. You can be proud of your product. Ladies and gentlemen, for sure, the new Polo comes to the market as a full family. You will get diesel engines, gasoline engines, natural gas engines, and of course, we will also come with a new GTI. There's a lot of GTI fans around the world. They love the GTI brand, and I tell you, they will really love the new Polo. Thanks to the MQB technology, this Polo is more GTI than ever. It is now a real GTI, very compact, very precise, a stiff body structure, precise chassis, a very precise steering, and it comes with 200 horsepower on board, and it now takes you from 0 to 100 in only 6.7 seconds. I think it's really a sharp drive. I've driven the car quite a lot. I love the car, and I think we all should look forward to the new Polo GTI. With that, I think we are able to attack premium peers, competitors like the Mini or one or the other Audi A1. And the official world premiere of the Polo GTI will take place later this year. But I think it's an obligation for us to show you the car today, so please take a look to your right. A really sharp GTI. I'm really looking forward to that car. It will be one of my first choices. So will be an exciting additional event for this car later this year. Ladies and gentlemen, the new Polo is a great small car. I hope that we could bring that over to you. I think with young and sharp design, with new colors, and with a new, fresh and colorful design in the interior. With that, the Polo will remain the #1 in Germany, Western Europe, and China, and we will enter new markets. In a few months, we will launch the new Polo in South America as well. It is a major building block of our comeback story in the Latin American region. And I'm sure the Polo has all it takes to become the global leader in the small car segment. Ladies and gentlemen, today the Polo is our hero. It's another milestone of our extensive product campaign, but there is much more to come in the coming months. Above all, we will push forward with new, exciting SUVs. You are already familiar with the Atlas, the Terramont, and the Tiguan Allspace. Soon, we will present another brand new SUV, very important to the brand, to further emotionalize the brand. It will be the T-Roc. By 2020, our portfolio will include 19 SUVs worldwide. 40% of our market offering will be SUVs. Our goal is, and all that product offensive will help us to defend the market leadership in Europe and in China, to become a relevant volume manufacturer in North America, and to get back to the top in South America. From 2020 onwards, then, we start our electric car campaign, entering a new era of automobiles. And we will make the Volkswagen brand shine again. And we will become the world's most attractive volume brand. Thank you very much for your attention.
Thank you all, ladies and gentlemen. Shortly, the stage will be yours. It is time for talks and discussions. And for that, I would like to introduce you to some more gentlemen joining us today from Wolfsburg. I would like to start with Jürgen Stackmann, board member responsible for sales and marketing. The gentleman who is responsible for the development of this car, he has taken over the entire responsibility for the product line Small. That is Klaus-Gerhard Wolpert standing here on the front. Dr. Volker Tanneberger is with us, Head of Electronic, and Dr. Wolfgang Demmelbauer-Ebner, Head of Engine Development, TSI. And if you will, there is plenty of lunch. Enjoy the day, and you please all have a safe trip home.